Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make mayonnaise at home. As you can see, I have one egg already that I've added to the jar. I'm just going to add my oil. In here I have 300 ml olive oil. So I'm going to add a little pinch of salt. I'm also going to be adding 2 teaspoons of lime juice. And I'm going to be using apple cider vinegar. So I'll just shake and add 3 teaspoons apple cider vinegar. You can use any vinegar of your choice. So I'm going to use my stick blender. I'll just put it underneath the oil. And I'm going to blend. So I'm just going to store my mayonnaise inside an empty tomato jar that I used already before. So I just wash and store my tomato bottle. I always do that so I can have them whenever I need them to store something. I'm going to seal my bottle tight and keep in the fridge for future use. Thank you very much. Please remember to subscribe, like, and keep a comment on my comment box. Thank you.